My brother Nate loves cookies so much he once ate a whole jar and blamed it on the dog. So one day my mom bakes a fresh batch and tells us hands off until dinner. Naturally, Nate disappears for a while. Fast forward 30 minutes. The jar is empty. My mom flips out and Nate goes, "Must have been Sparky." But here's the kicker, Sparky's wearing chocolate crumbs on his nose and Nate's favorite hoodie. My dad walks in confused saying, "Why is the dog dressed like Nate and why is Nate hiding under the table?" Turns out Nate dressed Sparky up to take the fall. Dinner that night, just awkward silence and no dessert.